Hi, welcome to Home Time Pass. Hope all are doing well. Today with an evening vlog along with a dinner recipe. Hot cup of coffee with the snacks. And the dinner recipe is dum burota with 2 layers chicken and beef. This recipe we need 300 grams of beef, boneless beef. Wash and drain it well. Into that add 1.5 roughly chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies and some chopped coriander leaf. Starting with masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder, add required salt, transfer it to a pressure cooker. No need to add water, beef itself will release water. Cover and cook it for 4 whistles. Gravy should not be so thick, it should be in a semi-gravy consistency. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for flavor. Beef gravy is ready. Heat the oil, add 1 cup of thinly sliced onion. Fry the onion till you get a golden brown color. Into a bowl, add 100 grams of boneless chicken. Along with it, add a pinch of turmeric and half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add the required salt. Into it add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of curd and the fried onions. Keep the remaining onion for garnishing. Mix it well with the fried onions so we get a nice biryani aroma for the chicken. Into the onion fried oil, add some cashew and roast it well. Fry it and keep it aside for garnishing. Into the same oil, add the marinated chicken. Cook in medium-low flame. Mix it well or else it will burn at the bottom. Add some coriander leaf. Add some water and mix it well. Close with lid and cook for 2 minutes. For the spicy flavor, add some chili flakes. Add some coconut oil for flavor. Spicy chicken masala is ready. Let's arrange the dum parota in clay pot. Firstly, grease the clay pot with coconut oil. On the bottom, place a banana leaf. Nextly, the parota. Next, the beef masala. Spread it well. And garnish with some cashews and fried onion. Next, keep the second layer parota. Now add the spicy chicken masala. Garnish with the fried onions and cashew. Repeat the process and you can keep up to 4 layers of parota. Finally, cover with the banana leaf. And seal it with aluminum foil. Maintain low flame. Keep it in dum for 5 minutes. Parotas along with the banana leaves and clay pot, you'll get a nice aroma. After 5 minutes, our dum parota is ready. You can see the first layer is chicken layer and the second layer is beef. If you are a parota lover, you will definitely love it. Try this recipe. A glimpse of Christmas decoration in a mall. Hope you like this video. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.